Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. I'm so excited to announce that I'm now an Ipsy Open Studios creator and will be receiving these subscriptions monthly, so I hope to share these types of videos with you more often. With that being said, let's go ahead and unbox October's. Right away, you can see that this month's box theme is magic. And since this is my creator box, they were kind enough to send over a few extra goodies, including a sleep mask and candle. To get started, let's go ahead and check out the Glam Bag. The Glam Bag is $12 a month, and you receive 5 deluxe samples and the iconic Glam Bag. Let's open it and see what's inside, shall we? We have the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Conditioning Spray, the Illuminati Quad Palette, a Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara, the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum, and the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. Personally, I think that we have a really nice range of products to test out because we received 2 makeup products, 2 skincare products, and 1 hair care product, and I'm excited to test out a few of those today in this video, but before we get to that, let's go ahead and open the Glam Bag Plus. The Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and you receive 5 full-size products as well as the Glam Bag Plus. Let's open it and see what's inside. We have the Filorga Paris Oxygen Glow Eye Moisturizer and Illuminator, the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions Palette, the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder, a Firma 103 brush, and the Laruce Beauty Face Brush Set, which includes the Kabuki brush, the Contour Blending Brush, the Flat Angle Brush, and the Tapered Face Brush. So now that we've unboxed everything, I want to create a look using the products inside. There are a few hair care and skincare products, so I do want to test out those first. Let's go ahead and spritz on some of the Briogeo Conditioning Spray from the Ipsy Glam Bag. The leave-in conditioning spray contains signature blend of rosehip argan and coconut oils to effectively tame frizz and combat dryness and maintain soft, shiny hair with a lightweight finish. I think it did a really nice job at taming my frizz and making my hair look smooth and shiny, even with just those few spritz. I'm excited to test it out when my hair is wet as a detangler. I'm going to skip over applying the Retinoid Serum by Sunday Riley, but I will pump some on the back of my hand so that you guys can see it. It says to apply it during the evening, but it is daytime here, so I just wanted to show you guys sort of the consistency and color of it. This is an advanced strength retinoid serum that includes ingredients like blue-green algae, Hawaiian white honey, and ginger. It's supposed to soothe the skin for the appearance of a calmer, more even-toned complexion. It says to apply 1 to 2 pumps in the evening to clean dry skin. Since it's not the evening time, I am going to skip over trying out that product right now, and I'm going to test out the Filorga Oxygen Glow Eyes. This product has hyaluronic acid and is supposed to revive, moisturize, and illuminate the under eye area. So I can definitely see a brightening effect with this product. So now that we've covered the hair care and skincare products, let's go ahead and do some makeup. Okay, now that we've done our brows and primed our eyelids with the P. Louise base, it's time to dip into the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. So I'm just starting off with this shade and applying it to the outer corner of the eye and dragging a bit of it up and through the crease. Now I'm picking up this darker shade here to add some depth into the outer V. Now to add some additional depth, I'm adding this even darker shade right here in the outer V. Now to add a pop of shimmer to the look, I'm going to apply this shade here all over my lid. So now that we're done with the eyes, I have to say that I'm so impressed with this palette, and it's definitely become one of my favorites. Even just testing it out this one time, the quality was exceptional. So if you don't already have this palette, I really recommend getting it, and if you do have it, let me know in the comments below. Now let's go ahead and test out the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eyes Mascara. This mascara claims to build volume lash by lash as opposed to traditional volumizing formulas that create the appearance of volume by clumping lashes together. Now that our eyes are done, let's go ahead and apply the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. Now that we've primed the skin, I'm going to go ahead and apply some face products with the brushes that we received. First, I'm going to use this Laruce Beauty Kabuki brush to blend in my foundation. I definitely like this brush so far because I'm not noticing any streaking and it's given me a lot of coverage. Now I'm just applying some concealer so that we can test out the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. So first impressions of this powder, I'm actually really impressed with it. It set my Tarte Shape Tape concealer down really nicely and my under eye doesn't look too crepey or anything like that, which tends to be a problem because I have dry skin. This product is very finely milled and it goes on extremely smooth, so I'm excited to test it out with other concealers. Now that we've used most of the products, I'm just going to use the rest of the brushes to add some contour, highlight, and blush to finish off the look. To apply blush, I'm using the Laruce Tapered Face Brush. To contour, I'm using the Firma 103 brush. I really like this brush. I think it's the perfect size for my face. For highlighter, I'm using the Laruce Contour Blending Brush. I think that the size of this brush is so versatile, and you could use it for highlighter, blush, or contour. So my two favorite brushes out of the box are definitely the Laruce Contour Blending Brush and the Firma 103 brush. So let's finish off the look by adding the Bobbi Brown Mascara to the lower lashes, and then I'll add some lipstick and come back and show you guys the finished look. Here's the finished look using products from both the October Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and try-on video. If you're subscribed to Ipsy, let me know in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.